Get ready. F, A, C, A, and we go. F, A, C, A. And E, A, C, A. F, A, D, A. F, B flat, D. Ready? F chord angle, bow, right, right, A minor, D minor, go to B flat, repeat, F chord, and A minor, D minor, and B flat. Same sequence, and we go, F, A minor, D minor, and B flat, F, A minor, D minor, B flat. Chorus, change pattern, bow, right, left, right, right, A minor, bow, right, left, right, right, D minor, B flat, and F, A minor, D minor, B flat. Keep going, F chord, and A minor, D minor, B flat. Go back to verse, simple pattern, bow, right, 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 A minor, D minor, B flat, and F, A minor, D minor, B flat. Chorus, bow, right, left, right, right, bow, right, left, right, right. Keep going. Bow, right, left, right, right. Bow, right, left, right, right. Thus, simple pattern F. Bow, right, right, right. A minor, D minor, and B flat. Simple pattern F. A minor, D minor, B flat. Chorus, and we go. Bow, right, left, right, right. Bow, right, left, right, right. Going, F chord, bow, right, left, right, right, bow, right, left, right, right, bow, right, left, right, right. Back to intro, FAC. AC, FAD, FB flat D, 3, 4, and N. Well done! Want to play the melody too? Check out the melody tutorial link below. If you love learning this way, like and subscribe, and don't forget to join me on Patreon for the full chord sheet and piano score.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not